Welcome to Book Hogs. Today we're going to learn how to write lowercase l. We'll also look at some words that begin with the letter. So let's begin. To write L, start at the top of the line and draw the stroke downwards, like this. Now let's look at some words. L is for lotion. L is for ladder. L is for lemon. L is for lizard. And finally, L is for liquid. If you like this video, please support our channel. It really does help. Give this video the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. We also have free worksheets on our website. Visit bookhogs.com. Thanks so much for watching.